although we're likely to be waiting until February until the first shipments of Honda's new CBR250R lightweight arrives in the UK. Perhaps no bad thing considering the current icy snap. The newcomer, XA0 has already been launched in XA0 Southeast Asia. We asked our colleague Matt Shields at Australian MCN for his first impressions. This is what he had to say. The launch was held in the backyard of Honda's factory in Thailand, which is where the new CBR250R is being built. But rather than hitting the bustling, overcrowded streets of Bangkok, it was off to one of two of Thailand's race circuits, Bura, just outside the beachside metropolis of Pattaya. XA0, it was a track launch. But don't you think the CBR250R is intended to be a new baby blade? It is well removed from a race Rep 250. The 250R has the civility that entry-level riders want with enough scope in its performance to broaden your riding skills with every ride. But it'll never be the bike that takes you to track days on a regular basis. // single quote.